Today we are gonna fix Facebook unable to login problem. Let's start. The first solution is clearing Facebook's data. To do this, we open settings. After opening settings, we scroll down and click on apps, and then click on manage apps. After clicking on manage apps, we click on the search bar and search for Facebook. After searching for it, we click on storage. We click on clear data and then click on manage space. Click on delete to continue. We click on clear data again, and in this time, click on clear cache. Press OK to confirm. We cleared Facebook's data. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. Also, don't forget to like the video. If the problem is not solved, we will move on to the second solution. The second solution is using mobile data. If our Wi-Fi causing issues, changing it will solve the problem. Turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data. After turning on mobile data, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If the problem persists, we will move on to the third solution. The last solution is deleting and reinstalling Facebook. To do this, we press and hold Facebook and then click on uninstall. After uninstalling Facebook, we restart our device. After restarting, we open Play Store to install Facebook again. After opening Play Store, click on search and in the search bar, search for Facebook. After searching for it, click on install. We have installed Facebook. Now, you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.